Good afternoon, everybody. Sounds to be one of our LS series engines, but again, as you all know, we've been chosen through a special friend of ours to be involved in these Yenko builds, and we're allowed to build and call our engines the Yenko. This happens to be our Yenko series 7.0 liter LS. This is making over 700 horsepower. Fantastic. Again, what we do when we build these Yenko motors, you could choose the color. We could custom spray this whole engine for you. It's an all aluminum block, AFR heads, all forged rotating assembly by Eagle. It's got a 5-tech fuel injection system on here. This happens to have the March kit on it. And again, there's a lot of different variations in why we custom build. But this happens to be engine number 2 in our LS series Yenko. So again, check our videos out, check out our website, check out our Facebook page, and if there's anything we can build for you, give us a call. Hey, and don't forget to start watching the brand new muscle car series that came out. They had the first one on Saturday. They started to introduce the shop there. Their shop showed a car in its raw stages. I'll be going out there to drive the car, the Camaro, the 67 with all aluminum 427 engine. And again, we're very excited. We build a lot of motors for these people. We're happy about it. They're happy with us. And again, if there's anything we can build for you, give us a call. Thank you. Okay, Scott. 67 Camaro with the LS7 427 Yenko series. Let's roll, baby.